Can you wave at me? Wow. Pretty neat. Okay, I wonder how fast you're gonna go. Oh, Ellie's there with you. Whoa! Good thing you had some cushion on your bottom. You're gonna get up there? Okay, let's see you go up there. Wow, you're so big. You're so big. Can I watch you go down the slide? Okay, be careful because it's really fast. Lean forward, okay? Lean forward. Lean forward. Whoa! Good job. Ellie, stay down. Wow, tell me about that. What's in there, Colton?
A ball.
Whoa, there's a ball in there? Oh, wow. Good throw. Wow. And a little door? That is so neat.
But how are we going to put the swing up?
I don't know. I bet Daddy will figure out how to do the swing. We'll have to find a strong branch. We've got some around here.
Yeah, maybe that branch way over there.
Way over there, yeah.
We're a big ball.
A big ball?
Yeah.
I think Ellie took one of the balls.
This is a ball.
Here she comes. She wants to play with you boys.
I get the one.
Okay.